It's that time again. It's time for V63, the update for the Quest platform. Let's take a look at the blog and see what it brings, plus another couple of extra things I've been seeing kind of flying around Reddit and X or Twitter that I want to talk about as well. Let's get started. So it says, use your headset while lying down and make purchases with Quest Cash. Today, we'll begin rolling out MetaQuest's new V63 software update, which introduces a new and convenient payment method we're calling Quest Cash, and a long-awaited feature that enables you to better use MetaQuest headsets while lying down. More details below, and as always, a friendly reminder that our software updates release gradually to more headsets over the course of a few weeks, so if you don't see it today, don't worry. That's every time people wonder where their update is, that's what happens. It rolls out slowly. It's a slow rollout. So first up, Quest Cash. What the heck is Quest Cash? Later this month, we'll also introduce Quest Cash, a convenient new payment method for games and other purchases on the MetaQuest platform. Quest Cash can be bought, gifted, and requested, and is stored on your account. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So you can actually request money from someone, and they can pay you. They can gift you, or you can send it to someone, it sounds like. Quest Cash enables parents and guardians to monitor and budget their teens' spending in VR and provides a safe and streamlined way to pay for games and add-on content. I'm assuming that this can be bought digitally in an app, which we'll get to in just a second, and also maybe through cards that you can preload onto your account, which would be nice for gifts and presents and stuff. Let's see, it says, adding Quest Cash into your teens' account gives them the freedom to buy anything they have access to, while also ensuring they can't spend more than intended. Accounts can also request Quest Cash from others if, for instance, a new walkabout mini golf course drops and your teen finds themselves low on funds. Quest Cash isn't just for parents, of course. Sending Quest Cash to a friend for their birthday or just to say hello. You can also purchase Quest Cash for your own account to help simplify and track your spending on the MetaQuest platform over time. You'll be able to add Quest Cash to your account when it launches later this month, and if you've been using MetaQuest gift cards to fulfill any of the above needs, you'll see your remaining gift card balance merged into your Quest Cash once it's live. Okay, so those cards that you can get at the store, the gift cards, you'll be able to add them to your Quest Cash. It's going to all melt together into like a balance, which is kind of cool. Now, this next thing is the lying down feature. A lot of people wanted this, especially for watching movies and stuff, which I like to do in VR. It says, tired, sore from the gym, feeling lazy, just want to play a little puzzling places before bed. There are myriad reasons you might want to use your MetaQuest headset lying down, but until now, doing so has been a bit awkward. With V63 making it official, rolling out a new setting that makes it easy to kick back while comfortably getting your MetaQuest 2 or Pro headset. Comfortably using. It doesn't list a Quest 3. I'm guessing that just is an oversight. It doesn't make much sense if it doesn't have Quest 3 support. Join David Attenborough on a trip to the Galapagos Islands, catch a concert in Meta Horizon World's Music Valley, play a little cubism, meditate with Trip, and more from the comfort of your favorite bed, recliner, couch, whatever. To activate this new feature, just visit the Experimental Settings tab in your Settings menu and look for Use Apps while lying down. And that's it for official releases for V63. But there are a few other things I want to talk about really quick because there's some other exciting stuff that people have been seeing that aren't necessarily announced. So let me make my way over to Reddit really quickly and see if I can find where I saw this. The lying down feature is actually something that I know a lot of people have been looking forward to, and hopefully it will make a lot of people happy. So this is something quite interesting I saw on Reddit by Supragirl. It was yesterday. It says external microphones. It's a question about using adapters for external microphones, and it shows a screenshot, I'm not sure where they got it exactly, of the settings on Quest, and in the experimental features tab, it actually lists external microphone. Now, I heard rumblings about this coming internally from some stuff I'd heard. It says enabling this feature allows usage of external USB microphones. Restart for this change to take effect, which is actually really cool because you could do something like, I guess, a mod mic maybe. Does that plug in externally? I'm not sure how it is going to plug in. I don't know if the USB-C port is going to have to be used, if you'll be able to use the audio jack, if it's like an input-output audio jack that can be used for both, if you've got a headset you can use. I don't know how it'll work, but it'll be great for microphones, especially for Quest 3, because there's some issues with the microphone sometimes. or wind from your voice can kind of make it crackle and stuff, and it's not the highest quality at times. So it'll be great for that. There was another couple things. Let me jump over to Twitter, or X if you want to call it that, and just grab these couple of things. Another couple features. I don't remember what they are. Otherwise, I would just say them off the top of my head. No, I'm not going to be able to find them, am I? Hold on just one second. Let me check. All right, here we go. Luna on Twitter or X always posts some really interesting stuff. So we're looking at another screenshot for experimental features here. It says right here, this screenshot also shows the previously data mined airplane travel mode, although there's no mention of that in the patch notes. Looks like they're also considering USB microphone support in the future. Okay, so that was mentioned as well. So this screenshot, now I didn't actually pay attention to the other screenshot. Does it actually show it on it? It does. I could have just looked at that one. That's where they got it from. Luna, or I'm not sure where Luna got it from. But anyways, airplane travel mode. Enable airplane travel mode to interact, work, and play in VR while in motion in airplanes. Enjoy the full VR experience while comfortably traveling. Don't know how well it works. I don't even know how it works exactly. But that is the, result of Apple coming out with the Vision Pro and having an airplane mode, essentially. So now we've got a travel mode on Quest. I would love to test this. It should work in a car, I would guess, as well. Although I'm not 100% sure how it works, so I don't know. I'd love to test it and see if it works. I wish I was going on a flight soon, because I'd love to be able to see how it works or whatever, Let me see. Oh, okay. So Luna did post about the lying down mode. Maybe it is only Quest 2 and Pro. It wasn't an oversight, because it says, they said likely due to concerns with MR content on Quest 3. Very well could be that. Let me just see if they have anything in the comments. So yeah, I guess there's no official word on whether it actually works on Quest 3. I haven't seen it. I haven't got the update yet. So I haven't seen whether it actually works or not. That's unfortunate if it doesn't, because that's what I use to watch stuff, is my Quest 3. Not my Quest 2 or my Quest Pro. So that's very unfortunate if it doesn't actually work on Quest 3. In other news, yesterday there was a massive outage. If you tried using Facebook, if you use that, or Instagram, or Threads, or your Quest, everything got logged out yesterday. But it was apparently just an internal issue, and it's been resolved. And Andrew Bosworth, actually been commenting back to some people saying that they know what it was and it shouldn't happen again. So we'll see. But that's all I've got for you. That's V63 and a couple of little tidbits of extra. Not a lot going on, to be honest, but yeah. That's it. There you go. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on these few updates and announcements. Don't forget to subscribe for more VR and Quest content. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and happy questing.